Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter O'Neill and today we're going to take a look at all my sales throughout December. On eBay throughout December I took approximately £1,600. So I know a lot of you like to see what I've sold to give you an idea of what's selling and what people want and what to buy when you were out and about. So we're going to individually look at all the items. Is probably 20 or 30 pieces to look at. So it'll take a few minutes, but it should give you a really good idea as to what I sold coming up to Christmas. I'm in a jacket because I've only just come to the shop and the heating hasn't kicked in and warmed the shop up yet, and it is -6 outside. It's bloody cold. So I'm dreading if we're going to get some snow in the next week or so. But yeah, I'm going to show you what I've sold throughout December on eBay, so stay tuned, hopefully you'll enjoy. And if nothing else, hopefully it'll help by showing you what to buy and what's selling online. See you in a minute, guys. Okay guys, so let's get started. We're going to start off here, which was the first sale in December, which was a Splott crystal decanter. And that sold for, bear with me a second, I've got them all wrote down. It's asking 30, but I actually sold it for £25. Now what I tend to do, if they're signed, they go up on eBay. If they're not signed, they go in the shop here so people can handle them and see the quality. Next piece was this World of Grog's 65th birthday figure. It was up for £35. I took £30 for it. Grog's is nearly always signed, or it'll be signed John Hughes. We had this Royal Dalton figurine Ascot, and I was asking 35 and I actually received 35, full asking price on that one, which was cool. We had a selection of clock keys and weights for the pendulums. Yeah, pendulum weights. And I was asking 15, I had £11.25. We have another porcelain figurine and Lily Langtry, Colport this one, and I was asking 39 and I had £30 for that one. A vintage Scottish brooch by the company Miracle, asking 25, I received 25. We have a Lorna Bailey vase. Now I was asking 65 for this, I took 47, so a little discount on that one. We have a Rimaki glass vase, and I took £24 on that. They knocked £4 off me on that. This was the Victorian fretwork Masonic piece. It was a Lord's Prayer, but it was altered to, instead of forgive our trespasses, to forgive our debtors and etc. Now I was asking 175 and I took 135 on that. We have a 1912 Atlas of Scotland. That was a large book, you're talking double A4 size. 95 and I took £70 on that. We have a sterling silver vase, 1918, and that was, just for you to know, 116 grams. I normally sell my silver online for just over £1 a gram, and I actually received £110, so it was just under £1 a gram. But that's okay, I don't mind that. I had a Baxter Whitefriars vase, asking 60 and sold it for 60. Full asking price on that. We have an Olympus camera, and I was asking £75 for that, and I took 60. Now this one I took a big discount. I've had this quite a while. It was a Chinese horse and rider. Now this is the one I took to the Antiques Roadshow and I couldn't get a definitive decision on what it was. The quality was spectacular, but anyway, I was asking 275 and I actually took 150. But when you consider it come in for a tenner, that was fine. We have a lime green and poly glass vase, which I was asking 24 and I took 20. A selection of odd Victorian glasses, 1 cranberry, 2 Bristol green. I was asking £20 and took 15. Right, these opium weights, they're trade weights they were. And if I open them up here, each of these had a different animal on the top. So this one got a monkey, this one got a bat and a pig there in the centre. You can see the animals. Well, I done a big discount for these as well, and I've had these for quite a while. Bearing in mind they're only 2 centimeters tall. They were little like opium weights. I was asking 95 and I took £50 for them. Same buyer as the horse and rider, and this one is another opium weight, formed as a little hen or something in bronze, and I took £50 for that one as well. Same buyer. He spent quite a bit of money with me in December, but I did give him discounts. These soapstone seals, I was asking 145 and I give them for 75. And they are quite nice. They got carvings and that all over the soapstone. So there you go. Big discount again on that one. So we got a pair of Splott crystal tumblers, and they were nice. They were really nice ones. I always do well on crystal at Christmas. Not so much this year. I was asking 20 and I received 20. A nice charm bracelet. Some nice charms on this. So that was alright. I was asking 75. I took 60 for that. That was quite a lot more than £1 a gram, if I remember right. 48 grams. So you're not up far off, about 130 a gram on that one. 130, 140 grams, I'd guess, something like that. We have another Remarque vase. I took £24 on that one. I was asking 30. Anybody who wants to identify the glass vases, is website 20th Century Factory Glass. It's got all the different ones. Now we had a pair of Irish shallow cut Georgian rinsers. Wine coolers or rinsers, whatever you want, wine glass coolers rather, or rinsers, whatever you want to call them. I was asking 55 each. I sold 2 of them, the only 2 I had, but I took £90 for the pair, so £45 each. The Royal Worcester Skibbity Tail Egg Coddler, I took £40 on that one. Pair of Christopher Dresser vases. I was asking 245. I sold them for 195 the very day I listed them. So they were in and out same day. If you watched the video, I bought those from Steve in Pontypridd Market for £120 and sold them for £195 same day. So they were a cracking buy. There you have it. It's not my usual mix of items that I'd sell at Christmas, believe it or not. Normally at Christmas I sell 20 to 30 crystal decanters. I sell 20 to 30 sets of drinking glasses, vases for people to put flowers in. That's my usual thing I sell in bulk at Christmas, and as you saw on eBay this year, I didn't sell any of them, or very few. But what did sell was an interesting selection and good money. I took £1,600 over 25 items. My average per item was £60. I like to keep my average up, so it doesn't matter if you're selling something for a £5 or you're selling something for £1,000. The time involved is exactly the same. You still got to list it, photograph it, clean it, pack it, ship it. It's all the same. It doesn't matter how expensive the item is. So if you can up the cost per item, then obviously your takings are going to go up. £60 an item is down for me. I'm normally up about £75–80, but that's absolutely fine. I don't mind that one bit. And of course I've been selling through the shop Christmas time as well. I can't show you the shop sales, but it's the usual stuff. You've had a tour of the shops, you know what I've got for sale in here, and I'll do another tour of the shop next month when all the stock's changed round and the shop's redone and cleaned. Once a month I like to clean the shop, go through the shelves, restock it all, clean everything, anything that needs pricing and new stock coming out. So I tend to do that at least once a month. On a daily basis, if something sells, I just pull something out of a box and put it in its place. But then the shelves do get a little untidy, and the amount of dust that comes in from this, because I'm on the main high street, is shocking. But anyway, there we have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look at my sales or my sold listings, and well, hopefully it'll help you, give you an idea what to buy, what prices you can ask, and so forth. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Bye for now.